me see what you have on your bracelet. It's a stick. What else do you got on there?
Right there.
Do you have a seashell?
Yes.
Let me see. Let's turn it around. Wow. Look at this one. And we lost the nose, didn't we?
Yeah.
Let's go this way.
Okay.
Oh my goodness, Gianna, look at this.
Seashells.
I don't see seashells. What's this?
Flowers.
It's a yeah. We'll put it on you.
Yeah.
Oh, where you at? That's awesome.
Yeah. I need one more.
You need one more?
Yes.
You can have as many as you want.
6.
You're going to try to put that big old stick on it?
Yes. 6. Little one.
Oh, a little one. You going to break it off?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead. You think you can do it?
Yes.
Let me see. What? You're so strong. You're super strong, aren't you?
Yeah.
All right. Just keep walking. I'm right behind you.
No. That's 6.
You don't want that one?
No.
Come on.
5.
Cuddles, we go. Come on, Cuddles. Come on. Come on, buddy. You gonna do that one?
Yeah.
Perfect.
And welcome.
Does he love you? Oh, we be nice to Kit Kats, right? Watch out. Oh, watch out, Gianna. You know how he is. Right? Yeah. Come on.
Hot.
He's a tricker. He makes you think, hey, pet me. I love you. And then he'll scratch you.
Mommy up.
Oh, wow. You can put that on your bracelet?
Yes. Me too.
What?
No.
That's really cool. Remember, if you stick your tongue out, that means you're tired.
No.
Yes, it does. And if you say no, that means you're tired and you have to take a nap.
No.
Gianna, nice. Do you want to paint today?
Yes.
Behave, okay?
I 6.
Mm-hmm. Awesome.
I know.
What's that?
Yeah.
Ooh, pretty. That's pretty.
Yeah.
Charlie, don't do it.
No. Do it.
Mm-hmm. Let's go this way.
Wait.
You gonna use that?
Yes.
You can put that on there? That's adorable. Super cute. Super cute, Gianna. Keep that tongue in your mouth, okay, please, Gianna? Good night. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness, look at the gumball. There's some gumballs over there.
I know. No.
Did you?
What time?
What time is it? You can pretend like it's a clock?
Yes.
Okay. Let's go this way, honey.
Yeah, I'm done.
You think you're done? Are you sure?
Wow.
You okay?
Yes.
Do you think we should go see if our friends are gonna be able to come over?
No.
Do you want to go see Stephanie?
Yes.
You do?
Mm-hmm.
'Cause I text her. I don't know. She might not have seen the text. Do you think Mr. Cuddles likes you, Gianna? He's kind of following you, isn't he?
Right.
Mm-hmm. Do you think he likes you?
Right.
Right? You're so pretty, Mr. Cuddles. You are. Look at you. My buddy. Yeah. You're tricking me. I'm not going to fall for it. You're going to sit down and rest a minute.
It's a car.
Mm-hmm. All right. Are we going to swing in?
Yes. Swimmy. Swimmy.
Swinging. This is fun.
Oh God.
Look at Mama.
Okay. Back way.
Yogurt and popcorn.
Yes.
What else?
Okay.
What else?
Oh yeah. Yeah.
What does Daddy do with it was the, what was it now? It's the Pee-wee thing, Gianna.
Pee-wee?
Yeah, what is it that you and Daddy do? It was a night. Go ahead, you do it.
Pee-wee night. Let's go live. Only one.
That's what you and Daddy do, huh? It's really funny, huh?
Yeah.
You love your Daddy?
Yes.
Yeah, me too. Ooh, does that mean it's breaking? I hope not. Look at them puppies. We're so lucky. Gianna, we're so lucky, aren't we?
Yes.
How are we so lucky? Because we have animal pets? And what else?
Seashells.
We got seashells? Ooh, pretty. How does it feel when you put that on your arm? Does it feel rough or soft or sharp? What's it feel like?
Itchy.
It feels itchy?
Yes.
Is it scratching you?
A little.
What? Whoa.
That.
Ready?
Uh-huh.
Whoa! Oh, I love you. Come here. I love you so much.
A little.
Mm-hmm. Oops. We're gonna leave it.
No, off.
You want to take him off?
Yes.
Why? We gotta leave our nature bracelets on. We're gonna go show Miss Stephanie. Do you want to show Stephanie?
Yes.
Are you gonna? What are you doing? What? What in the world? What in the world?
Sorry.
Right.
Rest.
You're resting.
Yeah.
Whoa!
What?
I almost tipped it over. It was a night. Blah, 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 blah. I don't remember the words. Your daddy does it so good, huh?
Again.
It was a night. Something, something. But blah, 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 blah. And his face. It looked like... Do it.
This.
It was the worst accident I ever saw. And when they pulled his body from the burning something wreckage, his face looked like Daddy does it better, huh?
Yeah.
Daddy's amazing, right? Yeah. Gianna, look around. Look at all of your pets. Your dogs are right there. Mr. Cuddles is over here.
Oh, yeah.
Right there. You know why?
Yeah.
Because they love you.
Yeah. I love.
You love them?
Yeah.
Maybe we should, think we should walk over to Stephanie's. Do you think that would be rude? Do you think it would be rude?
Again.
It was a night. Just like blah, 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 blah. And then something. And when they pulled the body out of the burning something wreckage. Wait a minute. We didn't get to the part. His face looked like this. You're so cute.
I'm not. You can love it. What you want the
Funny.
Look at law. I see. Will you wait this?
Oh, you're my best little buddy.
Yes, sir.
What? I am not a son. I am a mommy, ma'am. Tomorrow's Mother's Day.
Mommy.
And you've made me a beautiful card, didn't you? Sunday.
Monday.
Tuesday.
Monday.
Tuesday.
Friday.
Wednesday.
What day?
Thursday.
Friday.
Saturday.
Monday.
Sunday.
Saturday.
Monday.
Monday.
Tuesday. Okay, what about? There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week.
Again.
There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days. There are 7
days in a week.
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Does that mean we don't know? Hey, Cuddle's still waiting for you. This is the best day ever. Right? It's Sister's Fun Day. No, that means you're sleepy. Let's go to bed. Let's go take a nap.
No.
You must be tired. You keep sticking your tongue out. That means you're tired.
Yeah.
That sounded a little evil.
Oh yeah. Hey, get it.
Roar. Do you have bug spray on?
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes, you do.
I do.
You don't want bugs on you. Because there's ticks out here like crazy. They're everywhere. You need help?
Yes.
No. I'm just kidding. I don't know if I can do this. Pull your... All right, come here. Come next to Mama. Wait, whoops. How? Wait. I'm trying to figure out how to turn this around. Why isn't it turning around? Oh, it's annoying. takes a picture. Oh.